everyone, so here we are in continuation to my last Bakhali vlog. We are now heading to Moshuni Island from Bakhali. Unfortunately, there is no roadway to Moshuni Island. You have to park your vehicle at Hujjatir Ghat, and from there you have to cross the Chennai river through the boat. So we took a boat and we wanted to cross over and reach the other side of the river, and then from there you have to take a toto which will take you around half an hour to reach Moshuni Island. And we were going like this in a family of 6, 2 kids and 4 adults, and the view from here was fantastic. I was really enjoying this bumpy toto ride, and from there we reached our resort and I'm going to give you a tour.
Hey guys, so I have reached Moshuni Island at Skylar and we have just checked in, and I am having my welcome drink which is already finished, and after that I'm having the coconut inside. Here the ambience is pretty chilled out. You don't have to worry about traveling with a car or with something else. You just have to be here, forget about all your tensions and relax and go with the flow. And that is what we needed after an elongated lockdown at home. We wanted to come out and explore and enjoy a bit of freedom and independence, and that is why we thought of taking this trip. Since it was a private car, it is much safer, but coming to Moshuni Island is really a challenge. So if you are okay with that challenge, then do come, but if you're not, then I advise you to highly stay at home till the time things are fine. Do keep watching and let's see how interesting does it get.
So here comes my favorite part, the property tour. These are the cottage style huts and these are the tents. So both of them are priced differently. I'm going to mention all the details in the description box, so you must check it out if you want to come here and check out the property. So we were welcomed by this coconut water. As I already told you, it was so sweet and refreshing that I can still taste it while talking to you. And this is the fencing of the property from beyond which you can go to the beach. And this is how it looks, very serene, very rustic, very homely, very real, very beautiful. I mean, now comes the room tour. The room was very basic. You cannot expect much after Amphan, especially. They already suffered a huge loss due to Amphan and they had to rebuild the entire property almost. And this is how the room looked like. They have a mirror, basic stuff like bed and a side bed, and the washroom was pretty clean and basic, no problems at all. And this is what we were going to stay in, one room for 2 adults, and it was pretty basic, pretty clean and nice. And it was about time for lunch, and we had delicious Bengali meal which was march, aloo and dal with some sabzi. After that we came out for a stroll near the property.
We have come out for a jungle safari on foot.
Just kidding, we were just having random fun.
This is the eucalyptus plant. We just plucked a leaf and grinded it in our palms, and we could smell. কি দেখি তো
Drogba
বাবু
sorry
eucalyptus বলো
And isn't this the cutest thing you saw on the internet today? Adorable, right? Oh yes, I almost forgot I was on a beach trip. So here we go.
to Moshuni Island.
And finally, all the 4 of us unite. Sea, sand, you and me.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Let me tell you one thing. If you are bored of Mandarmani and Digha and want to explore something new and out of the box, you must try out Moshoni Island. But yes, you have no expectations of concrete buildings and hotels. Here you will only find campsites and mud houses, but the ambience is really nice and something to look out for. This is the evening walk, and we were having a gala time in our campsite. There was so much of good arrangement. They served us this lemon tea or any liquor tea, whichever you prefer. And this is how the lighting was. It was so subtle, so romantic. There was bonfire option available as well. And winter evenings are just magical at Moshoni Island. There are so many campsites. We preferred to stay in Skylar when we saw the reviews on Google, and I was completely satisfied by the hospitality, by the way they behaved, by everything basically. Talking about the evening snacks, the moody and tele bhaja was complimentary, while we paid for barbecue chicken and fish fry. They cooked it really well, and after overeating and enjoying and talking with music, we went out for
So
a
the
stroll.
best part about Moshoni Island is that you can enjoy a walk at night, which you cannot do in Mandarmani. And I really appreciate this point in Moshoni Island.
Look at the lighting. This is not Skylar, this is some other property, but I really loved it and I thought of showing it to you. Good morning, it's day 2 and time for some drone shots.
Hey guys, it's day 2 in Moshoni Island. Right now it is 7 o'clock. We just had fresh nariyal pani and taking a stroll on the beach. It is beautiful. सूरज बाहर भी नहीं आया है अभी तक ठीक से, and it's looking so gorgeous over here. It's a perfect time to stroll. There's hardly any soul on the beach except the dwellers here, and I am loving this experience away from all the hustle bustle and away from all the tensions which I have left behind me, and I'm enjoying my time here.
Since you already know, we suffered from the massive Amphan cyclone in Bengal, and this is the aftermath at Moshoni. This place really suffered the most, and you can't even imagine how much it suffered. But the people here are so hardworking, they built up the empire yet again. After struggling in the mud for a bit, we took a stroll for some time and then went back to the property and tasted some delicious morning tea, which is completely milk free the way I like it and quite healthy too. And I'm going to last take a nice stroll in the property and enjoy my last few minutes here before we head out after breakfast. Who loves a hammock? I do, and I completely enjoyed swinging around it. And I'm going inside to change and leave for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.